Welcome to my channel. I'm showing you how to make sweet potato pie. Things you will need for this video: sweet potato, flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, three eggs, a stick of butter, a 2-quart dish bowl, a gallon of milk, 9-inch pie crust that I bought from Walmart for like $1.47. Very cheap. Cinnamon, pumpkin pie AllSpice, lemon extract, pure vanilla extract, and a Black & Decker handheld mixer. What I did before I put the sweet potato in the oven, I just pierced holes all through the potatoes so it can cook faster, and it can keep its natural sugar. And this is what I'm doing here. Now I'm mixing it with the mixer. Keep mixing, mixing, mixing. Here I'm adding eggs. I'm mixing it in with the sweet potato. Make sure you mix it well so you don't see any of the eggs, any of the egg yolk. Just keep mixing and mixing and mixing until the way you like it, not the way somebody else like it, the way you like it. And next, I'm adding flour into the bowl with the sweet potato. Now I'm adding the brown sugar inside of the sweet potato batter. it's time to stir in the granulated sugar. Stir it in and you mix it. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. And now I'm adding the ground cinnamon and the AllSpice. Here I'm adding pure vanilla extract. You can buy it from any store. I got it from Kroger's. Here I'm adding lemon extract. Don't forget to add your butter. Always add butter. Now I'm adding the batter of the sweet potato to the pie, and I bake it on 400 degrees for 45 minutes, or maybe you can do it for 30 minutes. It depends on how fast the pie cooks. And voila, pie's all done and out of the oven and cooling down. As you can see. And I tried to take the first slice and that didn't work and it broke apart. You know, don't laugh at my pie.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for new videos.